Hey, let's be real for a second, you guys. You know, the pandemic is still at full force. A lot of the gyms are closed and most of us are still working out at home. Well, if you love to do pull-ups and you're looking to increase your pull-up gains, I may have the option for you. Evolve Over Pull-Up Bar, full review, coming at you next. Hey, how you doing everybody? Michael Lewis Hudson. Welcome back to the channel. If you're brand new on this channel, what we like to do is fitness reviews to make you a better you. So we will do workouts, equipment, supplements, everything and anything that pertains to fitness. So if that's something that vibes with you, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And in today's video, we're gonna be doing a full unboxing and review of the Evolve Over Pull-Up Bar. Let's get into it right now. All right, y'all, so the good people at Evolve Over sent this over to me. They wanted me to share my honest thoughts, so I'm gonna do just that. I'm gonna open up this bad boy, share with you the entirety of this thing, install it, and also give you my take and see if you should buy it or not. So let's get into it. With the way it feels and looks so far, let's take it out of the styrofoam here. Wow, really cool setup, man. This is on sale right now for $110, so don't know if it's worth the money or not, but we'll find out, my friends. So I can already tell you guys right now that I am so pumped to install this because it says, according to the box, no screws or drilling, so nothing makes me more nervous than I have to screw something. Oh, wait. Bad boy, and you know, honestly, it was the easiest thing to install. I mean, if you look at it right here, basically what you're doing is you're just rotating this bar here to tighten it up to the door frame here. Definitely 10 out of 10 as far as setup goes, because literally took like less than 5 minutes and you don't need a drill or a screwdriver or anything. You don't even have to measure anything out. According to the website, it can handle quite a bit of poundage, so I weigh about 193, 195, something like that. So I'm gonna hang on this bad boy with one arm. Ooh, dang, this is super sturdy. Material behind that makes it very durable, and it's not gonna damage the door frame, which is what I love. I've had pull-up bars in the past where there wasn't anything like this, and it leaves like black marks on there. So when you move, or if you go to a different house, or if you want to move this, it's going to be pretty clean and easy to take care of. With that being said, I'm going to do some pull-ups and things like that on this device and see how's it pound. So I'm going to go ahead and do some pull-ups and other exercises on this bar and see how it plays out. So if you like this video so far, make sure you hit that like button. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for your support, you guys. It means so much. Looking to grow this channel like crazy, so hit that thumbs up button as well as subscribe. So far, holds my weight pretty good. I'm gonna come up. All right, do a little slow and controlled one. Cool. Man, you know, so far it feels really stable. I like the way it feels on my hands. It's not too gritty. It's just kind of like a shiny piece of metal. Actually, I'm a little apprehensive, like my last one that I had. You know, every time that I pulled up on it, it has like little creak sounds and it kind of slightly looped a little bit. But I mean, this piece is very solid. It's stuck to the door frame really strong. So I feel pretty confident whenever I do a pull up on it. Even after doing leg raises, I mean, the thing just does not move. It is just so solid and stable. I don't weigh the most in the world, but I weigh quite a bit. I'm just super impressed with it so far. Final rating for this, I'm gonna give this a 9.4 out of 10. And the reason being is that this is probably easily the most solid and the most stable at-home pull-up bar I've ever used. You know, again, usually the ones that I used before are just super wobbly, and you don't know if you're gonna do a pull-up and you just fall on your ass. So This is definitely a 9.4 out of 10. I highly recommend getting it. At the end of the day, is it worth $109 plus tax? For me, I would pay the money because I do a lot of pull-ups in my workouts. I also use it to do like elastic band workouts and things of that nature. It's totally up to what your budget is, but if you're looking for a higher end, very dependable and very stable pull-up bar, I would highly recommend this. Woo, a little out of breath there. Well, hey, you know, like always in my videos, I leave discount links down in my description. So make sure you hit that link if you decide to get this pull-up bar. Use a special code. I'll be sure to put that in my description as well to save you some money. And again, you guys, I'm telling you, this thing is very stable. This thing is very easy to install and it's going to work wonders in your home gym. So make sure you check it out. Anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video. Stay blessed and keep crushing it, my friends.